Hi friends, by using the style display property of any component, we can hide or show the component to the users. Now we can display it by just clicking this button. You can see the message is displayed, and we can hide this also by clicking a button. This is on image, so by clicking this image we can display it and we can hide it also. We'll learn how to do this. This is a simple HTML template where you are displaying a div tag or a simple message box here. The box is displayed here. So you can see that this style properties we are defined was the last line. This line says display inline. We can change it to none also. So once you change it to none, what will happen to this message box? I am just refreshing it. It has gone. Now let's bring it back again by writing inline. So this is the property what we will be managing now, to hide and display the message box. So again, let's by default keep it none, so it will be hidden. Let me save it and refresh it. Now to manage this, we'll create two buttons. Inside body we'll say input type is equal to button, name is say t1, value whatever you can write, will say show layer, or you can write anything whatever you want. So now next is on click. On click of this button, what will happen is we'll call a function. We'll say it set visibility. Now this function we are not yet written. We'll write the code inside the script tag, but we are just calling it on click. We'll say what will pass is sub3. This is the ID what we are passing, which message box is to be changed. So that's one, and what property to be changed. We are saying it is so we'll say inline. So it is so layer. Fine. Now we'll close this button. Let me just copy this, paste it here. The second button I am just trying, I'll give the name as t2 and the hide layer. Instead of show layer I will say hide layer, and inline I will change it to none. So this is what I will be using it. Now let's come to, once these buttons are clicked, what will happen. Now let's come and write the script tag here. Script, okay. So inside this we'll write our function. Our function name is, we have already called it, visibility. Fine. Now we are receiving two parameters. One is ID, one is the visibility. We are setting these two variables. This is our function. Now this is the important line what will be by which you will be accessing it and setting the property. So we'll say document get element by ID, get element by ID. Now what you will access, will say, sorry, no quotes here because we are accessing the variable here. So ID is nothing but it carries the value of the message box which we are trying to control. So ID. Now we'll say style, now display this property equal to visibility. So this is the variable. Now what happens once this line is executed, it takes the value of ID set, so which component we are controlling, and display property is set based on the value is whatever is available at this, and this value is set by which button we are clicking. If it is first button, then it is on inline, or next is hide. Let us save this, refresh and see how it is. Yes, then show layer, your box is displayed. Now we'll say hide layer, the box is gone. So layer. So based on the what button we are clicking, this value inline or none is transferred to here, and this property we are setting it here. I have one image on the same directory. Let me just display it. So layer.jpg. Let me save it and refresh. Yeah, it is there. I will just give a line break here to bring it down. Fine. Here what I will do, inline, I will just on click set visibility inline. I will just copy this. Let's see how it works and paste it here. I saved it refreshed. Now I'll say show layer. Yeah, it's displayed. Now then I can hide it and I can show layer. If required, one more image also can be displayed. So the image also can be used as a button here and displayed the image, displayed the message box. We'll try to manage this message layer by using a single button. So we'll just before that, let us just add one line break here. Okay, so the second button will remove now. We'll up to this will remove. Now here in this button, so layer, what you will say, will remove this property part, style property, whatever you are passing, that value will remove, and we will assign one ID equal to bt1. This ID will access to manage the text on the button. So let's go to here. Here also the function will not receive this value, only the ID value, and inside this we'll write first one if condition. If document get element by ID. Now I will say bt1. bt is a button property dot value. I am reading that is equal to, I am comparing it with hide layer. Then let's write this. Now let's copy this part here, paste it here. I will say display, this is style display is none. Before that, let me change the text, whatever is written here also. I will say copy this, paste it here. Now value equal to, I'll assigning now, I will say show layer. Now these two lines I will just copy it. Let me just write in, copy this, write one else command here. If it is not so, then what happens? Then this should say hide layer. This should exactly match with whatever I am writing it if condition. This checking I am doing it here, that should match. Hide layer and display should be in line. Now these two changes, I am changing the text of written on the button. At the same time, my property also I am changing. Now let me save this. Let's refresh this. Okay, show layer, I am hide layer. Now again I'll click hide layer, show layer. So one single button I am using to manage the message box. I can hide it and use the image also. Yeah, that will also work.